Welcome guys in this new video, and in today's video we're gonna do something really special. I just create something special for my coaching kids. I do some editing stuff with their photos and they gonna love it. It's a surprise for them. Actually they were just thinking that I do something creative with them, so I just did this. You can also do this thing with your kids because they really like it. Different kind of poses with different cartoons, character, different places. Really, it's a really good kind of gift for them. And yeah, I love it too. To increase their sizes, I just gonna do some creative things, is making some border stuff. You can choose color what you like or what the kids like according to their favorite colors. So I'm gonna make these photos little bigger and also gonna cover it with a transparent plastic for long time. So yeah, let's just do it. Actually children has no idea that how their picture just left the place to the different places, and how a cartoon character just standing beside them, they just feel how this has happened. So it's really kind of surprising gift for them, and they also can suggest you that I just wanna this kind of cartoon beside me, I just wanna be somewhere else, somewhere in Disneyland. They can decide what they want in their images. So it's really creative and good for them, and they're really gonna love it. So you can also make it's so simple. Just edit the images. There's a lot of app on Play Store, and make them print in so less 10 rupees, 15 rupees, and just cut it all, make some creativity and gift it to them. They gonna really love it. So let's just cover it with the transfer plastic for safety and for a long time. So let's do it. I have a destroyed kind of old album, so it was about to waste, but I just collect these pages. Okay, so these are the plastic I'm gonna use to cover up. It's so clean and good, actually it's so thin. So let's use it. Just put the picture images inside of it and just use a tape and stick around it, and it's gonna complete so easily. The kids, children's, if you just didn't cover it with plastic, they can just make it wet or tear it up. They can just destroy it in a minute, in a second actually. So just do something that it be safe for a little longer. So here my all images are completed with so good cover plastic, and it's safe actually. You just need to stick some double-sided tape backside of it, and then you can gift it to the kids. Okay, so which one you like, just tell me in the comment section. And you can also put their name on their images because they really love it, that here is my name, here is my name. So yeah, and you can also put some kind of images, quotes, happiness, something creative. Really they love it. So thank you for this video, and I hope you love this video and this idea to make your kids happy. They are gonna be happy. Okay, so try it, and if you try it, then just tag me on the Instagram. Here my Instagram ID, I will love to see it. And thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna gift it to my kids. So just like this video and subscribe my channel for such kind of creativity videos, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, love yourself, bye bye.